What's going on YouTube? It's been a couple days with the truck. I've been loving the truck. I finally got a tag and insurance on it. There's one thing I had to do first, which I did off camera because I was doing on my lunch breaks, but I put AC in the truck and turned out everything needed to be replaced. I put on new AC hoses, AC condenser, AC compressor. It came with a brand new evaporator core already in there. So I'm gonna show you the couple videos I did take back then, and let's get to the video. I love how cold this AC is now in this truck. It rides like a 2020. But yeah, everything worked out fine. I went to the parts store and rented a vacuum for the compressor. I vacuumed the system out, pulled out all the air and liquid and any moisture, charged it back up, and we are good to go.
2 days later.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back. Today I went to Home Depot and I finally got my hands on a very famous spray paint. It's the Turbo Can spray paint, and I've been looking for this paint for a while. I finally bought me one, so let's see how she does. And I got the perfect thing to use it on. I'm gonna use it on the hood on my truck because it's real rusty and all, you know, it look faded out. So I'm about to shake it up, tape up the truck, clean it off, and spray it in. This is the before. It's real rusty and real faded out. And I've been looking at it for so long. I've been tired of looking at it like this. So what we're gonna do, we're about to scuff it up and shoot it. It's not gonna be perfect, just look better than this. First thing first, grab your Scotch-Brite pad to scuff it up because you want something to paint to stick to. Hey, second step we're gonna do, I'm gonna grab a shop towel. It doesn't release that many fibers, so I like using these. And I'm gonna use some wax and grease remover, and I'm gonna get it as clean as I can. Alright guys, now the truck is all cleaned up. I want to mask it up. You can use whatever you want. I've been using old flyers and painter's tape. You can also use bags to cover up anything you need to cover up. So let's go ahead and mask her up and get ready to spray. All right, you guys, the hard part is finally done. We masked up the whole front end. Always tape up anything you don't want paint to get on. I'm gonna try my best to shoot a little bit in the back where the little rust is. But yeah, the hard part's over with. Hey, I highly recommend always leave your paint in the sun for a few minutes so the paint can get warm, and when you spray, it sprays a lot smoother. Also, shake your cans very, very well. I am very happy with this turbo spray paint can. It literally took about 10 sprays and I got the whole hood done. Only thing to remember is always make sure you keep a rag so you can wipe the tip, because I noticed it started spitting out after I got halfway across the hood. So now I may have to redo it. But yeah, I'm very happy with this tan. This is how she turned out. It started raining over here and wind went crazy, so I got a whole bunch of trash in it. So eventually I'm gonna have to redo it, but for now, this is how she's gonna stay.
2 weeks later.
What's going on, YouTube? We back on a beautiful Sunday. We're working on the truck again today. Last video was painting the hood on it. It didn't turn out perfect, but it looks a lot better than what it did at first. And today, what I'm gonna be doing is putting on the rest of my wheel locks. I did the front wheel locks when I changed the brakes a couple weeks ago. And now I just want to put the rear wheels on. You know, where we live at, people might try to take the wheels off, so trying to prevent that. And I want to show you guys how it turned out. This is 2 weeks after I first spray painted it. It looks a lot better than it did at first. I still want to go to Summit and get me a brand new one, because as you can tell, the hood is just creased up. And this just really badly needs a new hood on it. So that'll probably be one of the first things I get from Summit. But it's not bad to come out of a $15 spray paint can. And I got one more thing to show you guys. My girl surprised me with the best gift I could ever get. She bought me a brand new jack, a Daytona jack, because she knows that my little Pittsburgh jack finally let me down last week. It started creeping down on me when I was underneath a vehicle, and she just didn't want that to happen to me again, so I finally got me a new jack. I'm about to show you guys. Hey, no disrespect to the Harbor Freight OG jack, the Pittsburgh jack. This done gave me a good 3 or 4 years with it, so I ain't even mad at it. But it's just time for a better upgrade. And now we got the Daytona 3-ton low profile jack. And she even got me the matching jack stands to go with it. My little sided right there. But yeah, man, it's been a good time with this one. But now it's time for the new one. Man, I already like the color scheme. On paperwork. I ain't gonna lie to you, orange and black just they go together well. It's sad to say, this probably gonna be the last time this jack don't get a scratch on it. Beautiful. Y'all, I couldn't be any happier with this jack. This is how the Daytona jack looks. And my girl, she got an issue with the stuff not matching. So when she got my jack stand, she had to get the same color. But man, I love this jack, y'all. I couldn't be any happier. She killed it. Yeah. Not even after a minute we open the jack up, we're gonna have to put it to work already. And let's go ahead and put my wheel locks on so I can sleep peaceful at night and stop worrying about people stealing my shit. So let's go ahead and get right to the video. And on top of that, I know these wheels ain't even all that, to be honest. But for some reason, I done caught 2 people trying to take off my lug nuts at nighttime. So I don't even know what to say anymore, y'all. But let's go ahead and throw these wheel locks on and finish it up. Go ahead and put a chock in the front tires so the truck don't start rolling, and jack up the middle of the truck by the rear axle. I'm taking off them acorn lug nuts and I'm putting on a tuner style lug nut. so it'll have protection, and also it'll look a lot cleaner and better with these on there. Let me go ahead and zip those off. Alright, now I got the wheels tightened up and everything secured. I went behind them with a breaker bar after I lowered the truck. What I'm gonna do now is I got me some universal rugs from my job, and I'm gonna lay them on the truck, and on a liner, I'm gonna just cut around it so it'll fit like a, you know, factory fitting. But yeah, I just wanna cover up them little rust spots on them for right now until we get it taken care of. This is how the homemade bed liner came out. It's not too bad looking, and it actually serves a good protection on the bed. It's like a really thick foam, and it works out perfect because I gotta move some furniture tomorrow. So everything's going smooth as it could be. But yeah, it's not half bad. Hey, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thank y'all guys so much for watching. It's just too damn hot out here to be out here right now, and I'm gonna have something better for you next time. Y'all stay tuned and have a great day.